game's called the Microwave Paradox. Looks like it may be about a microwave. I don't know though. A very big microwave producing company provided the super microwave for testing purposes. Now you're going to test your new microwave with different types of food. Okay.
Hello. Thanks for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing. We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave provided by our company.
Okay, well, that's very nice. This, really? A VHS? Alright, whatever. Go in there. How do I, no. Oh, okay.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave. First of all, open your super microwave's door and put your food into the super microwave.
Oh, wait, I should watch it
Then
first.
close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave doing its job, you can inject the food and enjoy.
I can inject it? That's great.
Please, pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
Whoa. I don't know, I don't think that tutorial is all that clear, but I'll try it. So you open the door, then I think you put the food. Okay. What do I... Is it done? What do I do now? Put it in the toaster? I think I did that properly. Well, can I get my burger back? Alright, this is the bathroom. Do I throw it away after? Alright, so... Alright, well, whatever. Oh. Put the box down, please put the... Alright, well, I'm stuck with this box until I can get the donut. What? Did the donut get smaller? Alright, well, that was great. Can I put... Alright, let's just put everything in here. Can I please? The TV's yelling at me now. What, can I put a box in there? Alright, let's try this. I like how I had a box there, but I had to go get it. Alright, well, I think the box is too big. Right, that won't work. So I put a drink, I put some donuts, what about you? This is another tape.
The super microwave can become your best friend. It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you. You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next steps. First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave. It is better to lock all your house doors and put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to talk and interact with microwaves. Some aspects of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood.
That was pretty clear. So just make sure it doesn't talk to me. Alright, open. Yeah, let's see if there's anything in here I can put in there. Oh. Whoa. I saw that. Hey. Oh no, I'm kind of scared of microwave. What do I do now? Like, let's see. So I can't pick up these. Can I? Can't go outside either. We'll keep using the microwave. I think I've microwaved almost everything in this house, except for the house. Oh, what about these? Oh, excuse me, open. Uh-oh.
You have broken the microwave which our company provided to you in testing purposes. You are a pathetic and worthless person who don't deserve to own our super microwave. Our
Hey.
sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.
What? I'm scared. I just don't think that should have been so scary.